Whether you're cooking with kids or just the grown-ups are at home now, Cold Stone ice cream types of treats at home are so easy to make. I'll show you how to make a strawberry shortcake version today. Once you get the idea, you can explore lots of different flavor combinations. With the cup slicer, we'll prep the strawberries. Just pop it from pile to pile. This is super fun to do with kids. They love helping. They love eating when they prepare the food too. When you've gone through the last strawberry, just pop it through the base and they're all right here, ready to pour into your recipe. You can use any bowl or vessel for your mixing. I like to use a stone. It is Cold Stone. This is the loaf pan. You can use any stone you like. Just let it stay in the freezer for a while so it's really, really cold. It'll help your ingredients stay nice and not melt quite so fast. So you can make a single portion of this if you like, or you can make enough for a family. I like to do about 1.5 scoops per serving, because you know, if you're at the scoop shop, it's love it, let's see, like it, love it, gotta have it are the sizes. So I'm making a like it size. To this, we'll add some strawberries. So pretty much anytime you're doing these mix-ins, you need to have something that's kind of wet and some solid, kind of chunky ingredients. Oftentimes something bready like cookies or cake or brownies. I'm using pound cake, just right out of the freezer. And you don't need to thaw the cake first. So if you are only making a portion or two, just slice the piece that you need and then leave the rest in the freezer until you need it next time. And then we need some Cool Whip. So I'm just gonna take a scoop of Cool Whip and add it in there. There's no real cooking to this, so you can sort of eyeball it. The mix and chop is perfect for this. Really all you're doing is you're mixing all of your ingredients together, and you want to do it pretty quickly because you don't want to have a soupy mess. So creations like this are different than blizzards or slushies because really it's chunky. It's not smooth at all. We just want to get it all combined. Now, if you're having a party of any kind, you don't want to mix up a whole bunch ahead of time and have it freeze into a big chunk. So if you want to do a birthday party or something like that, one option is to just have all of your ingredients ready and people can mix it up and then eat it right away. This is so yummy. I also love using fresh peaches instead of strawberries. That's really good. I have some more of the Cool Whip in here and we're just gonna garnish the top. Here we go. And that's how easy it is to make Cold Stone types of treats at home. For the cost of 1 or 2 servings out, you can make enough for the whole family and probably the folks next door too. Give it a try.